Across England, more than 7 million pathways are waiting for treatment. Behind every number is a patient, and a pathway that has to be tracked, day after day. The problem was never effort, it's that no one can see the whole picture in time. And it's felt right across your trust or health board. Patients wait longer and risk being lost in the system. Operational teams firefight from spreadsheets with no single view, and boards are accountable for numbers they can't fully trust. They all need the same thing: one view of the truth. This is what we do differently. Insource Patient Pathway Plus takes data from every source system along the patient pathway, your electronic patient record system, your patient administration system, community systems and disparate clinical systems such as theatres, pathology and radiology, and unifies it. Through more than 20 automated transformations, every pathway is rebuilt to national standards, cross-checked and made auditable. The result is the unified data layer. One platform, one view of the truth. Joined up pathway data for referral to treatment and cancer in near real time. Because dashboards built on broken data are still broken, we fix the data first. For elective care, Patient Pathway Plus gives you near real-time, cross-checked visibility of every referral to treatment and non-referral to treatment pathway. A live patient tracking list you can filter by specialty, by cohort, by breach risk. It handles millions of data quality checks a day, so the numbers you report are the numbers you trust. And it's built to look forwards, not backwards, surfacing the patients approaching a breach while there's still time to act. Cancer is different. It's time critical. 62 days, 31 days, 28 to diagnosis. With patients crossing multiple teams in a single day. Nationally, the 62-day standard sits at 70%, against a target of 85%. Patient Pathway Plus Cancer Pathway Management tracks every pathway against every standard, in real time, generating cohorts of the patients at risk of breaching, flagging the next event for each one, so nothing and no one is missed. 42% fewer of the longest cancer waits, an 18% shorter elective list, 76 hours of reporting time, given back every week. This is what happens when teams stop reacting to yesterday's data and start managing tomorrow's pathway. And why stop at waiting lists? Guru Planner, our advanced demand and capacity module, lets you plan the future with confidence. Every specialty, week by week, even patient by patient. Model demand against real capacity. Test scenarios to hit your targets. And watch the impact on waiting times with evidence-based algorithms the board can trust. And with AI now built into Patient Pathway Plus, you can ask your data in plain language. Ask which specialties will breach in 6 weeks and get the answer in seconds. Say goodbye to static dashboards. Embrace the art of the possible. How is all this possible? Because we solve the root cause, data quality. Get the data right and everything else follows. Trusted pathways, accurate reporting and confident planning. Patient Pathway Plus. See sooner, act faster. Book a demo at insource.co.uk.